Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Inku unboxing video. Pretty sure this is I just gave myself a paper cut trying to open this box, so that's great. Let's try and be a little more careful. Anyways, I'm pretty sure this is January's box. Yeah, all those fireworks for the brand new year, which I'm excited for. If I start touching things weirdly, it's just because I'm trying to like not make this paper cut get worse and bleed everywhere. Anyways, back to our programming. So, first one, these look like erasers. They're like adorable little erasers, but oh, it's like following that Alice in Wonderland theme. I'm pretty sure it was Inku on boxes that it had something similar to this, but it was stickers last time. And a bunch of little erasers, which I will just leave in its plastic wrap, otherwise they're going to get everywhere. And then we have, actually we've got a couple pens, although this might be, yeah, okay. I'm going to put these pens aside. I'll try them at the end of the video. Then we have this. What is this? Okay, it says a laundry bottle glue. Glue down your, okay, it's glue. Okay. It's so cute because it really looks like laundry detergent. Take the lid off. Ah, okay. This is so old school, at least it is for me. I have no idea if it is for like anyone else, but this is like how glue used to come when I was a kid. And gluing paper down. Alright, yeah, there's a little seal here. I will not remove the seal because I'm not going to use this glue just yet. So I have a bit more glue to get through. I actually have a drawer full of like half-used glue, so I need to actually use that up. But that is very cute. That's adorable. And then we have this notepad. Sticky notes. Duh, it says sticky notes here. And obviously I can't read. Lucky cat. And let's open up sticky notes to see inside. So this is what it looks like. So you can write on its little belly. Yeah, so the sticky part is here. And this is the non-sticky part. I mean, it kind of looks like a really cool sticker on its own that you could use. But yeah, you could totally write messages here too. That's cute. And then we have some stickers. Like very Japan themed stickers. Oh, it makes me miss Japan so much. I really want to go back. Yeah, there's so many traditional cultural symbols and signs here. I could use this to plan my Japan trip. Eventually, when, you know, things get better, this would be great at planning it out. Okay, there's this like folder that's been sitting here, and I think it's an A4 folder. Yeah, A4. I could have used this a couple of days ago when I was looking for something very similar, and I couldn't find any of mine, and this would have been perfect because I was carrying a bunch of A4 paper that needed a folder to sit in. I think I need to put this between a couple books though, just to get this kink out of it. But it seems like a 1, 2, 3, yeah, three pocket folder. And then a notebook. Oh, okay. Hello Kitty notebook. Just a general scrap notebook. Everything in today's box was really functional. That's like the first thing I noticed. And it's like, even if things are not aesthetically how I like them, if they're functional, I really appreciate that because you can still use it. And I'm not someone who really cares if I come to work with a notebook like this, even though it might say like what year you're in and stuff like that. Like, it does not bother me because a notebook is a notebook and I appreciate a good notebook. So that is everything in January's Inku unboxing. Let me try out those pens for you. First one I'm going to try is this zebra pen. It's I think it's a like calligraphy pen. In orange. Yeah. It's a nice calligraphy pen. In very, oh, it's not bright orange. It's I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a tangerine color. It's very light in person. For some reason in camera, it's looking a little bit more dark and muted, but it's a nice, it's not fluorescent, but it's very nice and light. Love it. I actually didn't realize that Zebra had this line of brush pens. They have a lot of great brush pens, but I've never seen this particular model before. And then this one, from memory, I think these are like highlighters, markers, dual tip. So I don't know what sort of melon, cream soda, Maybe it's a scent thing. I think I have something similar where it was pink and purple, but it was twin star themed. Whereas this doesn't have a particular theme to it from what I can tell. I'll just take this bun off. Yep. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. This smells like honeydew melon. If you guys are familiar with that in Australia, honeydew. So good. And then this side would be yellow. This smells much sweeter, almost like cream. I think it says vanilla on here, so it's supposed to be vanilla. And it's not fluorescent. It's a very nice, like, rich yellow, but it's not fluorescent, which means I actually will use this because I love it. Melon. So this is melon flavor and vanilla. So together you've got melon cream soda. I really love this highlighter. It's really nice. Okay, so that is everything in January's Inku unboxing. I really love this month. I'm really getting more impressed with the Inku unboxings. I love that they're really focusing in on like functional stationery, but it's still cute. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.